Welcome to the podcast series Moving Up, Symud i Fyny, which is a podcast series exploring Welsh research led by Bangor University in North Wales, with research funded by Health and Care Research Wales. The podcast series will focus on exploring the messages from research with care leavers across Wales, looking at messages for policy, research and practice experience on the barriers and enablers that care leavers experience when working with and engaging with professional services. Central to this research and to the podcast series will be listening to the voices and the experience of care leavers across Wales and learning from their experiences around how we can develop and improve services around how we work with and engage with care leavers. This research is led by Bangor University in partnership with our fantastic partners from Gysta, Gwynedd County Council, Conwy County Borough Council, Ynys Môn Council and Torfaen Council. And we would like to thank Health and Care Research Wales for funding this all-Wales research.